Are you relying on highly skilled welders but still facing rejection rates in semiconductor tube welding? Manual welding introduces variation that high-tech industries cannot afford. The TATE Orbital Welding Machine eliminates human inconsistency with programmable, automated TIG welding that produces uniform, repeatable weld quality every time. Ideal for ultra-clean gas pipelines, stainless steel tubing, and precision semiconductor installations, TATE helps you meet strict purity and quality standards while improving productivity. Upgrade your welding process today by contacting us through the method shown above.